Puerto Rico is home to dozens of exotic flora and fauna that dot the archipelago's ever-shrinking green spaces. But for decades, a booming coastal construction market as well as a governmental agency that grants permits at a rapid pace in direct opposition to ordinances meant to protect the natural environment has greatly affected the archipelago's natural ecosystems, to the point that many species are currently at risk. One such place is the sleepy beach town of Quebradillas, home to the prickly bush plant and the butterfly that uses it as its nesting ground, the Puerto Rican harlequin butterfly, also known as the mariposa harlequin de Puerto Rico, which was recently put on the endangered species list by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service in late 2022.
Llevo más de casi 30 años luchando por estos ecosistemas en Quebradilla y el problema que tenemos en los acantilados de Quebradilla, de los bosques de acantilados de Quebradilla, que son los acantilados más importantes del área noroeste de Puerto Rico, es la deforestación que en estos momentos se está ocurriendo y está afectando las especies endémicas en peligro de extinción y raras del lugar.
Environmental activists and scientists from the Ecological League of Quebradillas have been raising the alarm about the butterfly's habitat being destroyed if rampant construction along the coast continues unrestricted. They warned that it is in danger of being lost completely.
En esta área ya llevamos casi 475 especies de plantas, como 10 en peligro de extinción rara. Tenemos sobre 75 especies de aves.
Alongside the harlequin butterfly, there are over 24 different species of butterflies, other insects, and plants whose habitat is in danger of being destroyed if construction continues. The League has attempted to bring their concerns to the Department of Natural and Environmental Resources, but the group claims there has been little movement in regards to the complaint they submitted. Meanwhile, construction continues in many places along the coast of Quebradillas. When looking at publicly accessible data provided by the Planification Board of Puerto Rico, Latino rebels found that much of the area along the coast is currently zoned for either preservation or conservation of natural resources, yet construction permits were still being granted. Additionally, we found that some construction lacked the necessary permits to build.
Lo que nos queda no es casi la mitad del bosque, porque la otra mitad está siendo impactada por el desarrollo de viviendas.
Environmentalists in the area have observed heavy machinery in Quebradillas destroying places where the prickly bush plant grows. Scientists claim they observed multiple harlequin larvae nesting on the plants that were destroyed. For now, environmental activists and scientists continue operating in the area, conducting censuses of local flora and fauna in hopes of protecting what little is left of Quebradillas' nature. They fear that the government will continue selling pieces of land and or allowing construction on places that should be legally protected.